As your data spreads across environments, it gets more complex and harder to control. That complexity creates risk, from cyber threats and compliance gaps to downtime and rising costs. That's where Arctera comes in. Our multi-layered resilience strategy protects mission-critical data from internal and external threats, so you can recover fast and keep operations running smoothly. With flexible deployment across cloud, virtual, and physical environments, plus intuitive management and built-in scalability, you're always in control. But managing risk isn't just about attacks, and nowhere is that more evident than in the world of compliance and its evolving regulations. Arctera captures communications across platforms, automatically classifies and archives data, and gives you full observability. That means you can make smarter, data-driven decisions and reduce risk without ballooning storage or overhead. And when it comes to application resiliency, Arctera enables zero downtime for mission-critical applications, with data defense and full-stack context to confidently keep apps running under attacks and failures. So your operations are always resilient, saving time, reducing cost, and delivering peace of mind. Ready to take control of risk? Let's talk. Explore Arctera Data Management Solutions today.